Here's the lowdown. Our future is being shaped by solar energy, and a lot of that has to do with the U.S. Department of Energy's Solar Energy Technologies Office, or SETO for short. No, SETO isn't the name of your neighbor's cute but slightly annoying dog. It's a group that's fueling groundbreaking research in 7 main solar energy areas. One of these areas is photovoltaics, and we're not just talking about your run-of-the-mill solar panels here. SETO is supporting research to make solar cells as cheap as a fast food meal and as efficient as a Swiss watch. And if you thought photovoltaics was a mouthful, wait till you hear about concentrated solar thermal power. It's all about harnessing the sun's heat instead of its light, and SETO is turning up the temperature on this research. But innovation doesn't stop at creating power. We need to understand how to weave this energy into our existing systems seamlessly. Enter systems integration, SETO's own version of an orchestra conductor, ensuring all parts of our energy system play in harmony. When it comes to soft costs, SETO is like that bargain hunter who never pays full price. They're funding research to reduce these costs, making solar energy more affordable for all. In the realm of manufacturing and competitiveness, SETO is focused on ensuring our solar tech is up to the challenge of international markets. It's like prepping a heavyweight champion for the global ring. Equitable access to solar energy is also on the list. SETO wants the power of the sun to be within everyone's reach, because, let's face it, everyone deserves a place in the sun. And finally, we're talking about developing a solar workforce. After all, what good is all this innovation if we don't have skilled folks to implement it? So, there you have it. SETO is staking out a bright future for us all, lighting the way with solar energy. And who knows, that future may be closer than we think.